Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you my scalp cleaning routine. A number of you have asked what to do if you don't have time to actually do your cleansing routine or wash your scalp. So I just want to show you what I do sometimes when I don't have time to wash. This is the product I apply. It's a Braid refresher spray. I'm going to list in the description box some of the options you can try out. So I spray this on all the parts of my scalp, taking it through all the parts. Spray, ensure that it saturates all the areas of my scalp. Then I massage it in gently. Truly, it's better to wash your scalp because your hair needs the moisture. Your scalp needs proper cleansing as well. But sometimes it's just not feasible. So you could do this as a stopgap measure until you're able to wash properly, cleanse properly, and give your scalp a good treat. So I'm still spraying it in and massaging it in as well. I like to use this opportunity to have a scalp massage. This routine can actually also be used when you have protective styles in with extensions. So after spraying the product into my scalp and massaging it in, I use baby wipes to clean my scalp. The best state your scalp needs to be in for it to grow out healthy hair is for it to be clean. Not squeaky clean in the sense that you don't have any natural oils in your scalp, but just clean enough that it's free from dirt, dust, flakes, and gunk, which can clog your pores and make it difficult for your scalp to grow out healthy hair strands. So I take my scalp cleansing very seriously. Even if I'm not able to wash, I ensure my scalp is clean as much as possible. So this is me just using the baby wipes to clean off all the dirt that may have accumulated on my scalp. After giving it a good wipe, I just go in again with the spray one last time to ensure that my scalp is well refreshed. Then I apply this scalp products, the Mega Growth Anti-Dandruff treatment. Because of the climazole it has in it, it actually helps to prevent the growth of malassezia, which is the fungus that may cause dandruff, that commonly causes dandruff. So it's an effective anti-dandruff treatment, and I find it helpful, particularly during this postpartum period when I discovered I'm quite prone to flakes and dandruff scales. So I just apply this around all the areas of my scalp, ensure it covers every square inch of my scalp. The next thing I apply is a DIY oil I made using jojoba oil because of how close it is to sebum on the scalp. And I added neem oil because of its anti-dandruff properties, tea tree oil because of its antibacterial properties, and peppermint oil because it helps stimulate blood flow to the scalp. I massage this oil in. This is the last step actually. And I'm sorry the amount I applied really didn't show, wasn't really captured, but it's worthy of note that you just apply a little. A little goes a long way. If you apply too much, it ends up clogging the scalp, which is counterproductive. I usually only apply more oil than necessary when I'm doing a hot oil treatment, which I'm going to wash away, within a day or less. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed my scalp cleaning routine. Bye.